Precious.
What?
So, what's going on between the two of us now?
I even wanted to ask you this. What's going on between us?
You answer my question with a question, Precious.
Yes. Because these days I've realized that you prefer getting closer to Anderson more than
forget
to
about
me.
Anderson, Precious. Don't say that. Don't say that. This was not how we were.
Anderson is now the one who cooks for you, and then she's always getting closer to you. And these days, how many times do you look for me?
You don't give me the energy anymore. And if Anderson cooks for me, it's because you don't cook for me. You rather cook for the man of God.
Have you asked me not to cook for you or something?
So do I have to ask you for you to cook for me before you cook for me?
Sometimes I do.
Sometimes you do, and you stop cooking for me because of that Aroma guy.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God, brother Scanty! Oh, so this is what you've been talking about.
Brother James, now you've seen some.
You always raise your voice at her. Brother Scanty, what is wrong with you?
You, Aroma, what then? Huh? I didn't have catch you some relationship, man.
Scanty, don't be shouting at the man of God. What is that?
Hey,
why are you shouting at him? Do you think you have the right to do so?
Are you defending him?
Do you think you have the right to do so? Why are you pointing your hands at him? Why?
Aroma, hey, Aroma. What do I call so? What do I call so? Because of Aroma, see how you are talking to me. Precious, since when?
Not Aroma, not just Aroma, a man of God.
A man of who?
Brother James.
I'm not a man of Satan.
Not even.
Hey,
brother,
you, Charlie. What? Now, we now couple one frewa. Pen one family relationship. What's the name again? Kasa treme. Aroma.
Brother Scanty, listen. The thing is, she is a girl. Huh? Into also you call her so on the Kasa. Why should you bring your voice out? Did he touch you?
He has been threatening to touch me.
Precious.
So he even called his. Don't touch me. He even told his friends to come and beat me. Like Jay.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, for quite some so. Then Jesus Christ. I didn't found Ben.
You asked that. I don't have to insult him. You asked that guy to beat her.
And I found Ben. If I ask that my friend to beat my girl, I know I found Ben.
Why
you yourself in my relationship like that?
You yourself. Why should you raise your hands on the girl? Why should you do that? For this country. Hey, I am warning you. Do not let me use you as my prayer topic.
You are warning me because my own relationship.
Just keep quiet and let him talk. Why? Why are you talking?
He doesn't know what is going on. He doesn't know.
When the man of God is talking, you don't have to talk.
Precious.
Learn that.
Since when?
Since when?
Sister Mary, I'll ask you to exercise patience.
Yeah, Aroma. Hey,
if you see that he is going far, just don't go closer to him. You understand? Just go your way. That's what I will tell you. And you, do not let me use you as my prayer topic. Because if I curse you, God will not be happy with you. I'm telling you, Brother Scanty. Please be careful with her.
Yeah, Aroma.
Don't be pointing your fingers at the man of God. What is that? He's even getting me annoyed. Let's go.
Precious.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, Aroma.
I'm Brother James.
Mike. Yo. Boy. Mike. When would they see him? They say me Precious. They didn't head me because them catch on the BNU. Me discuss about the echo so into no Aroma there. I bet so much more action inside neko. Hey. Mike, when someone catch you, don't say BNU. Into the Aroma here na.
I don't credit us now. Where you go?
Unim konkoli. Ebo konkoli. Ujina obi je oge. Ana tuone a otina so ujina trotro. Yo. We boy mo ani na fo mo. Sa long no kura me cheche biem kura kire me. Asama na me ka kire o. Asama na me ka kire o. Yo, we John dey obi abfa John. Oba John boy je oge. Wait.
No, me man warning wa.
What's that?
Me man warning.
I don't try to ya me the agrobe tunchen. A bull fucking. Jimmy on. Me the agrobe tunchen madam fun ba Jimmy Adams. And now we Jia. A bull anu kun to ya me. I found Jimmy on ko inside. Hey, o say kasa I found Jimmy ko inside. O kasa o tell dem much me. O de kasa bi ona he. Kasa me should be see wa me to ya me. Then a man can't tell. Then a man can't tell.
Nene na me ya nene na.
Where dey?
Man warning. Na Aroma be fa no ko.
Yeah, na warning. Omo bia be jina oni we say. Hey, I'm from inside.
Ka wo ready. Me go here no me nyande.
Okay, say no dey house no for who inside there. Aye. Which me be am ball until no free are inside. Aye.
So unti senior.
Offer. Yo. Ebe ya room na me ntimi ni this ankomo yi. Aye.
My exam den ka dey ana me.
Yeah, me dey bo ba shoot tiri mo. See where ebe ya inside. Be ma ka bibi a kire wa unti e akofa ge ya to so. Don kire na so for so as e long. Afi na obi jiri be cheche ma kire. Me akora ba na. Yo.
The time Aroma.
Bema. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Adam for December 20 mabo. Me cannibal ko na ampa be gidi right inside. Me person dem sabe kan right inside. Oma we aje wo ge. I mean obejina mani yesi na kasa me nkene ni ahun Aroma. Akwa ne ni be wie ni pepepe wo school. Ama akwe no ge koda. I be say my point in is me ha no. What checking the bear man now team say ewa a large. Yeah, there is I made what tinu month of our maybe.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me person me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way.
Yes, are you looking for somebody?
Yeah, I'm looking for someone. Who? My J. He's my boy.
For what reason you looking for my J?
As I said earlier, I said he's my boy. Madam for no.
For boy for who? I'm speaking English, then you speaking tree. Huh?
I'm looking for my J.
For what? What reason purposeful for looking for my J?
Oh. And I said he's my boy. I want to have a discussion with him. That's why I'm here.
Your boy from what business?
Sir.
Stop those questions. Go, Mr. Man.
Sir.
J.
Okay, see now.
Yeah, my boy. But
sir.
Yo.
My baby, me boy.
Say, I call you Jina Machine, say. On the head in your mom, Bonnie boys know. We are.
Masa, let me tell you something. Sure. Ultimi ma MSA school for Uncle Dano. I'm a friend Kwan and a girls and I'm say here is a government school. Here is a school for children's futures. Don't ever come here to destroy the school.
Mr. Okay? You know me personally.
Who are you?
What do you mean?
Who are you?
I came looking for someone in
You came looking for someone. What reason you looking for someone? Are you there in this school? Are you on this campus?
Do you know me?
Where am I?
Sir.
Where am I? Make sure mama so check here what it.
Now,
Diwa, hey, Masa,
Cheche, you go school for Kwaro.
Sure.
Tiere me kacho free ko.
Yeah.
Mama chiku now so why is $1 dollar.
Sonka.
Say it on. Say it on.
Tiere me kacho. Diwa. So what is that one for?
I give you 5 minutes. Yeah.
No.
Say me about 5 now.
School kula ni bia.
Say me about 5.
Hey. Opoku.
Ready?
Opoku. Hey. Also come Scanty on do here baby. Hey. Tiere me kacho. Ela what is that one for? E ma be school mo be sadin di moti. Me ni sound school for uncle Aroma. Kasori. Uri Sound bonza kawal. Hey. Something no fear ko fear. Ela what is that one for? Hey.
Kwasa se mkono wa wewe wana. Kwasa se mkono. Enye say na fu anka wo kama mi anka bit me jam.
Hey. Masa. Hey.
Say you.
Tiere kacho no.
Say me about 5 now. Say me tawachi.
Remember how
Say me
ni biem.
me about 5 now. Say
I judge me no be planning.
Say me tawachi.
Next time we will.
So, ofu ehenche za kwanchire. Ero wachire. me call life to Waba.
Or him boy.
Say we am a cool boy.
I'm a compolo chair.
Paul and him. Where you corner?
You have a semi minute to swear and call.
I'm to swear and call. Oh, me, Anna.
You got our man, you have a semi home.
I'm out near farm.
I didn't have fun.
Yay! Send us over. Me catch you say, my God is on an
very point because we know on their grip.
Chrono,
Me corner. So, can be a more trouble. Watch it.
The Musi. Send us any pan by me, terms. They say, now it's on a nickel. Now I'm being so money. I am sure they make a February. Ah, me only for do sick bay. Why? So, then I'm one of my party can of say you have done me a quite money. I quite so much of boom. Hey, say, and Kaka cry for sick bay on Kaka.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with me.
By J.
Tubo.
Are you school for me? Only my dinkum Mubiana.
Come on, Ben. You know,
I didn't tell my Jimmy, made 2 men. Me, Baba, you school mono. No problem about Uniho. Baba, outside. Me, try to be Piaba. The money on the Takum be a piano through shine. Ah, good things good come, baby. I feel jobs, I'm saying. Me pedal one, I was me bear my G. Coincidence, I have been on the 3 year from no, you have been off no. The friend say, Opoku, a piaba on the fire, Chiami. Chiami, we are or teach and on one side. Meaning, come across. The next minute, them tell Genesis, yo, is this Colombian? Some of says and Crono. Boy, Uddi Cheni knows that there are many fucking. Tumo! Are What could be teacher? Hey, my dear, no money friend. No, my who said no boy. See them catch up school for the time in your boy. Me my down fucking. Two ball. Are
two ball, me school more and who born that. Two ball a day.
My G.
A day, two ball. Me do this, sir. See me teacher you know.
Me mama on your master tongue. Me chong teacher you I be the matano. But who? But who? The bishop 7 hours. Teacher you know tell me that. It's me and tell me it's a someone you are saying me for again. It's my job to teach you from engineer.
To war.
Me ma teach you from engineer. There go. Me ma no say baby watch na on ye. Yo, me in best school. In my real school, I read that. When I'm go school, they make up. I did me no more music away.
Too bad, anymore.
Music away. It's in your body. I didn't know where in the knee. What about the General? Me come and say. It's in your baby. Me come and no say. Yo, and me. I say me. I just make a casano. Me pana day. Me pana. Teacher, you know me a concert. Na me and me no. Mam bono anya.
See, I say my parents will bet me do school one.
Says I be biara.
And you know what bono. O be share wine.
Na me na mako bono. Hey,
well long now I am tiase long. I am the man bro. Come on, no community teacher you say. What no you
ya for the control. Me nim komo ko. Oni teacher ni ko di here. I teacher ni be di matter. Yo, fancy come on me. Scanner kana say so a.
Yo 100 am the be ma
akobum fabla. So
200 am the be ma
so for send me.
Me the best send you.
Oni na send me.
Fitina ko in school mu abie o.
Me no be on airborne. Je, me see me no be on airborne. Anya for you time. Me. By je me my sa abere wadi ane no. Utimi ni abere wa meda esa suru ni se ho.
I send this scanner ma je di aka na so so. Obe school mu abere me teacher ni.
My je no koko high territory. Ko ni my je. Udi cheni no ka kire no. Say next time ohumi a, he no of manya sa ade ni biem.
Bo.
My koko
say me tro. Man ka say me tro.
It you.
So what's for me school mu
no school mu no kore famba. Na only so fro no. Ya won pani agudie ni ya won kora agudie.
Tina me tro say e nya nya free baby ba ku. Me nyima ko ase on me ka kire wo. Sha.
su e me no gaga me so du o me metima tro o ma na obo am de bia no me so o you be o na me tete o asu ntule e bia ni a man ka sa komo o be kan ko ntule ejuma no man ka sa o ma ba jibi aka mate ko ana makacho bi school mo je ma je ko ni ga tete no ma tete ni me jimo o ka sa iri agro abanza ani chani ko se dia gwari abayero bom o ko amon kan kire no
yeah me pen kwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am bro so we me
Mike, why are you? Why are dear Papa? Mike, we phone you now, a guy. We are seeing you know one more share, one more high, and one more no more, one a guy. Bah, and what's more?
When that Jimmy, no boy, so Cosia. What's your Opoku?
Mamelande?
Mamika, some chiro. You were in a Matthew.
David, me,
I know my imagine something Cassa.
Dem ma filu no wetin ma bopa ma ya ma fa be bu ma ye
me ma bopa ma ya be bu ma ye
e na me hu nwa me ma fa so ya de
mama tu ba be bu ma ye
I no ba
tu sha me mensa Opoku Opoku yo my Karen
wonyimi wetin ma bopa ma first two ba bu wo fa ma ye wa ma yi town boys and first two bo mu ni jene mu
abebo me
ma bu wo fa me du ho no ya hodu wo fa suru sei e na yi ni ketere ma afiri na
my jene mo mbe bu
you wo fa ketere ma afiri na num ana me shara me ma fa so ya de a u jira no
Mamika Central Opoku this time around me found you agro wa ma bu mo ana se me ba
ya bu wo fa
me found you agro bi o wetin ya
na wo fa me ni agro
no go wa go sa wetin
my day
no go wa sa sia jimi woni mi jimi wetin ya
ara ba ko
wetin ya sia
ona ba ko na
wetin ma ko wetin ma ko sia na to jimi too much wetin too much wetin
for the bet let me
sia
bet let me bet
wetin yo so na mo phone so na kika school mo wa sia next time I become once in your do wetin Mike ko sia so wa so ma pa mami Opoku Jimmy sa de dia Jimmy sa onko ye ni pa be that be come as in the school mo about them de be yo ko sia o asma ko pa mami woni tantan why get there asem ni get there ba be hwehwe me e gna be hwehwe me bia oni wo bia my jewe oni wo o ka chese ya ne be ton ni o mama abetoni o mama ko sia abetoni o mama ko sa wuda sasa na wo kan ko kwala na so school mo me bu na funa na mde ba na me pese me yo hwe ba o abeka ko sia boy obo kwala na so jimi ebe na so de ne ma bre no no de ne ma bre no kra e boy ko kan den da be me bu ni so sia boy kan manka Mike me ja na botre na bo me ja too much dey chabe plan Opoku hard doing too much Opoku hard doing school mo o obia samo beka obia nipa ba ko obia samo beka dem Opoku hard too much
awon na ji abopa mi abo wo fa me we o dem bo
mesrew me mpa samo nsema so si ji bet na akwa ka che me over se me se me de se ya bo no
ami fan show trinto wo bu mi o ana we no ene me krada ene ona me no ka so no be eko
o se de Opoku so what should you so mo me ku ato awe Opoku e so what should you me ku ato wa me se di na chabe plan Opoku aka ke to ni kam na gare bo me o se wunti o be say ni business
ano o se
no adi ami ni didi won de o say na me pra wo
ne ga no se me ka de me ko ba na me yese ayi my jade oni ho na se ni sense
na da na wo sem bia be sia kwa na be frɛ o dem kwa na ga no no be to
na se na ma cha nka me megine so wan nyina me anka me kasa no
bia se bo be ka bia se mo be ka be school no ewu
asana me ko
eni me mo ko ne na me mo ko ne na sia me mo ko ne me mo ko ne
chef
come stop
be chibi masu
fresh boy
no carry obwa ende bufuo kasa wo be chibi masu Mike wa bodam papa wo be chibi masu
wa di na tem adam
When I'm doing my Indiana, my
browning browning.
so turn there. Scanty! Save me!
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am the one for me.
And that's some of us no one there.
I know come we also say.
Men fa won ko school. Listen, can Pablo Kran ye me pu me come on some one. How we be savior and when you need.
Me dem me no
sir. Just say your mommy. I will be chia obi akwa akwa careless. I'm here to say can ba woman call me am a minute. That is just me you be a minute dear and come on. Can you nice we
we be a queen na okushia. Abo no come careless. Wa queen you be na queen shia.
Why akwenhia boy different boy the same boy ni ntimi nyasa ka ukwa na ababoa me kura aka se wuhum se wo ye na nke ache boy no de ko police station anka ujira mi hui as maybe away but we you wani
of amede transfer
wo twabiam afiata yes ah na boy no de me say wo de me remember must say me ya twi ko me ntimi de twi
for no boy no ni hu hwi
o pa me me
fine no opoku na create sa confusion na opoku na kofa sa akwan ba so me yosa se na be obenya mic no ho time so into confusion create kofa akwan na ba na akwan no so e bi oba na obebo mic din na otisem opoku
akwan ba wo so wo hwe ho na je
opoku na ka tell me say on babo mic din offer nya mic kwantimi nya sa mic ko bad boy dey but kwantimi nya ndi ho no
wo de besi no wo de wo be
o say that besi
ye mi am ye ku me na wo me wo pass no wo nyina ho wo de sa
pass na so fu try
men nya de
na so ski wo ya kasesem tun so
na if someone try and come nyina ko bu ko
to try emponi
wo de boy de obi aseka mi ensanse no ho de dwabo de ko katras sa seka mo asa bafo sa ko ani pa one me cover three katras one woman be
no crowd try
no one ye fa de ka kire
then no ho your friends
finish get any shape or slim na finish shape no he
what the master me do
yi curve Adams
boy that master me ndin komo bi dey share bia master boy
are
no for
are why
Charlie won say only problem dey see with school mo no dan me ko fie me ko hair no won say na won say ne ko ntima school
I'm school ja and then ti am feel bad Adams ja
Charlie with prana won say more for hard dream but I say uko hu no prana won grab say omobo na style no say kasa say see no form one dream be shin trim say ase we nipa boni ne bi to the extent say ne onu tie wo school ma we ni student a wetin akofo bi so on bebo no
Adams
won say say no hu no
Adams say no kure no minimum hwe o
my kuna beka jemi so ni mo
minimum hwe nigga no kura me makobele ni later o akobele na ma ono no dide no kura na person na me long na me share the trash so what I say yes I me call down what they are obitima my boys are there I me do car anything na me here me trash no so but me feel bad pa Charlie me feel bad Adams uni say I be on ma me menye
me say you no aye you coincidence asem ni share na ono so sa na obi hu no
hey
so what I say
Adams the idea o say mitimi kopana chu
come me no be dia no person ka challenge ka the pride be abeto nchen on like be calm down na nka yenko na kopana chu o za chopa de ye kwa wa ma no say what feel guilty wa kopana chu many nefu
the be me yan say be ni say minimum bi
Adams then you say your convention not tia say unimu be fine one tia say
woni na kasa for one
woni na kasa din komo bebre one say won say ni say check we need you say say me ni na go pokus
oye go
na school mo na
hey Adams
me share down for ba o wada for fa na die me nya bi da e wo school mu a Charlie was
right na so we dey asem den Opoku mfo nya asem no ho asem dada what I say tey na me go nti na me ho fa kwan so pan say Opoku na share da ko fa sa kwan so won bebo na won fa won din share we say
we are with me yes adi man
like come kwan actually say Opoku na ko fa ni pan say on bebo no na obu na no wa share da bo din say me mic na say nti atono so on ti e ko na say wo sa ko pa na chewa bia be hu say won sa still
Charan feel the idea o say no papa sharp
that no pa dey un post kunti dey ada no pa kan plan so na ko class say no ko class ntinka your pon be 3 mo e ba waste on e be royal ho
na kam no ko class
na we ko pizza
number chance there me ko be
see e be ko class so say pon na nka Thematic online bia say na me check on so check on on gidi ni ase nja wa say on the person check no on say nipa de woni adian e o ba gidi na de wo school no o certain bia onya abetre
Adams
and that's say we buy say we no know show but no show suban ni say na o tie ba no me say me kan say me perfect o but bibi ba school no na ka say Scanty na ko for bi so on the teacher ni bia na say obi a njin de
Adams you say bia bisuban na enyu no crew na me pe bia say na my slow pa
because meeting na say me no kasa ni say
say my no ba no ma school mo e de ati ase o ma school mo chi nti na wan ma no kwa me my slow ja Yare nyo live ya mo say e be kwa akọ na
me wati ase kwa me
you go pay bobi ndie na o
still I don't want to know inside and I go canteen near corner your car
na mo kinke ni shida we dey check we dey am there dem bia tibomu
yeah me pen kwa na me nyo the party they come my way
Oh, for Opoku. What's up?
Hey, before prayer. Come back. And what is that?
I was doing my assignment. You see the math assignment they give us.
Master, you can be as a can you not come a better than watch them?
Oh, come I'll teach you.
Hana.
Yeah, but you come out.
Oh, no, you man me copy.
Nah, you like copying too much. I want you to understand.
Oh, okay.
Okay, remember that when we were writing the exam, you were copying me.
Nah, you're there. No,
I'll not teach you. So
what's up until you are copying your uncle? They are different of the people play. Obey you so. You see, yes, Kuma, yes, you are the and should be ever pass it. Your motto dynamic.
Don't copy blindly. If you see that I'm wrong somewhere.
Oh, me never the others from the no, be I try myself. Actually, I'm precious. Now, Miss Marco, I'm precious.
Hey, Opoku.
Say I'm cancer.
No.
Say black and cancer. Oh, wasn't me copy me to a jam me copy on. Said they train me who do you know?
Hey,
that man, madam.
You would have gotten me into trouble.
There be some me and I'm catching say oh. Nam say you see am train sister one 17 I'm trouble precious. And that's how they are. Nam to afro.
But that was smart.
Me go. Me say be Iddi a year chikwa na call you Aroma.
Where? To where?
To the same kind the evangelism.
Oh nah.
You didn't follow.
Since when did I start following him? Nah, he's doing his thing. Oh. Why do you think that?
I say mouse open ben I say.
Hey, Ghanaians. I just helped him on several occasions, just few occasions, not even several.
Boy, no, we need to know.
No.
Boy, you said this time around, you see Ben no. We need to know. And as I say, when the Scanty so a more better.
No.
It is one need to know one. Just go back to the boy.
Scanty. I was just helping Aroma. It's just like on 2 occasions or so.
Are you sure?
Come on. Why would you think I'll go back to my ex?
Oh, I said no.
Oh, nah. The reason I'm even helping him is that I don't love him. If I loved him, I wouldn't have been helping him.
Hey, pray.
Oh, for Opoku.
Pray, what's the more candy as in toss me? That one.
Because I don't like him. You do know that when you got hurt, it's because I didn't like you. That's why I helped you. If I had interest in you, I wouldn't have even gotten closer to you.
Me?
Yeah.
The phone can't maintain into the kind normal. Mate. It's one in GA.
Oh, no.
That's all I need to still now.
He doesn't like me. He's a change solo.
Change solo, baby.
Hey.
No, I'm Fernando Bema.
Come on. If he wants to have interest in anyone, it wouldn't be me.
True.
Come on, he's a chain solo. He's not pretending, no. He can quote like 5 quotations just in 1 minute. Aroma.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Are you for real?
I'm for real.
A 5 quotation in 1 minute.
In 1 minute.
Hey, Aroma is now a pastor.
He's a pastor.
Indeed, she is a pastor.
He is a pastor.
He is a pastor.
Yes.
And then you're forcing me.
I forced you to come to school.
They were forcing me to come to phone.
Oh, why?
And then I'm the what?
Why not force you?
Say my.
Oh.
I say I
would try. Have you been chewing the biscuits?
Oh yeah.
So you have to be speaking the English more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mate, so what about mine?
Which one?
Oh,
Opoku. Do we still talk about this?
Become
a pastor. I'll be coming to you.
Huh?
Become a pastor.
Oh, Nanyame flow be a better fortune also a pastor.
Learn from Aroma.
After home fair. Penantie. The night you see from Kuranya Sem Ketwa.